Hello students, today we are going to do the first poem of class 9 book Beehive, and the name of the poem is The Road Not Taken. It is written by famous American poet Robert Frost. About the poet, Robert Frost was an American poet. He is highly regarded for his realistic depictions of rural life. He takes everyday examples to give a deep message in his poems. About the poem, first published in 1916, The Road Not Taken shows Frost at his best. The poem highlights the dilemma faced while making choices between available options. The poet advises the readers to choose carefully because once a choice is made, then we cannot revert it. Title of the poem: The road symbolizes the choices made by us in life. Most of the times, we regret the choices we make, but once a choice is made, the decision cannot be taken back. We regret for what we have denied ourselves in life rather than appreciating what we have chosen. Hence, the poet has given his poem the title The Road Not Taken. The word road only means way. It also means journey or a stage of journey. Here, road does not signify any ordinary road but functions as a metaphor of an important decision in our life. The poem. Let us now do the poem. First stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. First stanza. One morning, while travelling in the autumn season in the forest, the poet reaches a fork. He comes in between the diversion of two roads. He stands there looking as far down each road as he can see. He would like to try out both, but he doubts if he could do that. So he continues to look down the roads for a long time, trying to make his decision about which road to take. Then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far at passing there had warned them really about the same. Summary of second stanza. He looks down the first one to the extent where his eyes could see, and then the second one where less number of people had travelled. He decides to take the second path, but then he goes on to say that the paths actually were similarly worn or used. The poet is in a dilemma on which road to choose. It means that even when the choice is made, there is still a confusion whether the choice is right or wrong. Third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Summary of the third stanza. The third stanza continues with the confusion about the possible differences between the two roads. The poet notices that the leaves were both fresh fallen on both of them, and no one has walked over these roads that morning. But the poet has to move on and choose one of the roads as he cannot travel both the roads together. The poet chooses the second road and says that he will travel down the first one on some other day. Again, the poet claims that maybe he would come back and also walk the first road some other time, but he doubts if he would be able to do so because in life one thing leads to another and time is short and the decision once made cannot be reverted. Fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Summary of fourth stanza. In this poem, the word difference is taken in a positive way, but there is nothing in the poem that suggests that this difference signals a positive outcome. The poet conveys regretfully that the decision once taken cannot be undone. He says that in the years to come he will be telling about his dilemma to others with a sigh. It can be a sigh of relief that he had taken the correct road, or it can be a sigh of regret because of wrong decision made by him long time back. Whatever be the result, the poet is aware that his choice will affect his future life significantly. Now, brief summary of the poem. This poem talks about the choices one has to make in life and their consequences. One day, while walking in a wooded area full of trees, the poet comes to a place where he has to decide which road he should take. He starts debating over the choices as he realizes he cannot walk on both. However, he decides to take the second path with the intention of traveling on the first some other time in future. Message of the poem. Robert Frost's poem, The Road Not Taken, seems to hold out the moral that life is a continuous journey full of divergences. Now and then, the important thing is to move on without looking back whether the choice of paths taken was right or wrong. The right or wrong are relative terms. We cannot get everything in life and have to make choices. Whatever direction we take in our life, it is determined by the choices made by us at various points of life. In the journey of life, one can seldom come back to travel the roads not taken earlier. Thank you.